Run, run, river, carry me home to the ocean. The river and the road, take me home to the ocean. The friends in my life, like stars in the sky, leave the lights on. I'm trying to get back home, the river keeps on flowing to the ocean. The angels above me, they sing that they love me, oh Lord. I'm traveling alone, so far from home and love. Oh no, angels, angels, please don't leave. I'm trying to get to her with the love she deserves, Lord, please. I've been playing my guitar, laying underneath the stars for you. In the light of the moon, I'll be forever singing tunes for you. When the stars are aligned like the colors in your eyes, greens and blues. It's not when or whether, we'll always be together, it's true. And the angels above me, they sing that they love me, oh Lord. I'm traveling alone, so far from home and love. Oh no, angels, angels, please don't leave. I'm trying to get to her with the love she deserves, Lord, please. Sometimes I feel like my heart's gonna burst at the seams. And sometimes I think it's just love that we want or we need. And sometimes I feel like I'm living too much in my dreams. And sometimes, oh Lord, let me be, oh. Are you feeling like I'm feeling, searching for the meaning of it all? I spend all my days trying to make some sense of it all. The ocean and the seas and the windblown trees are changing. And your love for me is all I need to keep believing. And the angels above me, they sing that they love me, oh Lord.